My name is Timmy. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Germany, and I'm really happy to be in the European Youth Camp. Everyone is happy and everyone likes each other.
This is my third time in European Youth Camp. You would think that I would get bored after 1 year, but I never get bored. And I remember the opinions in the first day. Anyone knew each other in my first year, and everyone thought that they would get bored. But in this schedule, you don't even have time to get bored, and actually it's really fun.
We have a lot of activities, yeah. We go to sea, play volleyball, and my favorite thing was the theater, yeah. I was acting in Turkish, yeah, and I think everyone has a lot of fun at theater.
I love that this camp has different activities in itself. English conversation times or physics lessons. There were even math lessons in the camp, and I know that those lessons are not like the ones that we have in high school. They're different, they're with experiments, and they're with fun. Those lessons give you real lessons from real life, and you learn by living. And also I love the games we play in here. I also love the games with finding targets and stuff like that.
Burası gerçekten çok güzel bir ortam. Doğa olsun, insanlar olsun, gerçekten arkadaş canlısı herkes. Kampa gelmeden önce gerçekten gergin hissediyordum. Çünkü böyle bir kampa hiç gelmemiştim. Daha önce kamplara katılmıştım ama. Şimdi buraya geldim, gerçekten çok iyi bir ortam olduğunu gördüm.
When you get together in work and when you get together in games, you feel like everyone's really close friends. Everyone knew each other for a long time. I think conversation times are also really effective because, like, when someone's English is not really good, they stop talking. They don't want to try. But in here, especially since we have some foreigners that, in ourselves, they have to speak in English.
We talk a lot of English, yeah. Of course, I can't speak Turkish, and everyone is coming to me and asks things in English.
İngilizceyi Tim abimizden söktüm.
Buraya gelmeden önce nasıl İngilizce konuşacağımı çok düşünüyordum. Yalnız burada öyle bir ortam var ki yani herkesle çok rahat bir şekilde İngilizce konuşabilirsiniz.
Bugün European Youth Camp 2016'nın son günü ve şu ana kadar yaptığımız bütün eğlenceli ve güzel aktivitelerin sayesinde telefonuma bakacak zaman bulamadım. Ve bu yüzden buradayken hiçbir zaman telefonumun şarjı bitmedi.
Gayet güzel aktiviteler yaptık, bayağı kaynaştık. Hatta şu anda hiç gitmek istemiyorum.
This is my last day in European Youth Camp, and now I call my mom, please more days. I like this place. I make a new friends, and this makes me happy.
It's my last day in European Youth Camp, and I can say that family is a really special word for me, but I can easily say European Youth Camp is my family. I came here from Izmir, and I love Adrasan so much. It's a really safe place, like I'm feeling so safe.
I love Adrasan, yeah. Really nice village, it's untouched, yeah, a lot of nature. Yeah.
I love that this place, Adrasan, is not really populated. So I always feel like the area, the whole hotel is ours. It's like a family place to us.
Yeah, I'm really happy to be here and to be part of the camp, and I make a lot of friends here, yeah, a lot of new friends.